6, 9. 8, 6, 9.
Hello there YouTube, today we have another unboxing. This time it's the Creality Sonic pad. As promised, I got it. I ordered this from AliExpress because it was sold out at Creality's website. So we had to get this from AliExpress. So without further ado, let's get into it. There we go. And now just slide it open like this. What you get is some stickers from Creality. Not much meaning, just stickers and some certificate. We have the pad itself. I'm gonna lay this aside for a while. And there is a one back. So some USB adapters. This is the input shaper, a USB drive in here, micro USB to USB-A, and then you have the connector for the input shaper. This is a UK adapter and this is the EU adapter that's inside of it. So that's the one back. So the second carton here has the adapter. So that's just the adapter. And you have also another plug. So let's put this aside as well. And some silica. And you have a pretty big, well, thick user's manual. Inside of it says the procedure of how to set this up, and it's in Chinese and English. All right, so let me get this Sonic pad now opened. So this is a Sonic pad, as you can see. LAN port, sensor port, 2 USB ports. You can use your camera on here and another peripheral. And here is the adapter port. And you have also these latches that you can put it onto a table like this. Your power button is a clicking system. Not sure if these are really reliable. Let's hope it is. And you have also 2 USB ports on the side here. The quality of the plastic is plasticky. It's not really something I like. So yeah, they went cheap again. Creality went a little bit too cheap on the plastic bit. Too bad, because the packaging is really good, but this one, the other side of this, you know, the quality of the unit itself isn't great. As for the feeling, I will make another video about this for in-depth review. If you're interested in it, make sure you subscribe on the channel, hit the notification bell so you can get your notification if there is a new video upload. But as far as I can see, this is a pretty big unit, but it's kind of a fake screen here. I'm not sure if you can see it, but here is a bar here, just around the edge here. That's not the screen. The screen is actually inside of here. It's a 7-inch. It's in here, which is fairly, it's enough. It's not bad. It's just, it makes it look a bit bigger. Not sure why they have done that. They could have made it a little bit smaller because the screen is smaller. So the edges on the side is a little bit off. Other than that, I am looking for the screws here so we can see what's inside of it, but that's maybe for another video. First, there will be an in-depth review of this on a Ender 3 S1 that I'm going to use on, and I really hope it is at least coming in par with some Raspberry Pi. I still am someone who would prefer to use a Raspberry Pi because you can SSH into it. I had a conversation with Creality customer service, and they told me that they have no ability to give me or anyone else login and password to SSH into this unit, which is a bummer because you can't. Well, it Clipper is unlimited, but this kind of limits the usage of it. That is breaking the point of having these. In general, I don't like it. I really wish or hope that they will give a password for it, because if not, this won't be a bad unit necessarily, but it will be a limited unit, which is, as I said, it is breaking the limits of the unit itself. Anyways, guys, if you liked the video, hit the thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, hit the thumbs up anyways. Subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more content like this in the future. Bye!